welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this butterfly wing makeup trend. This trend is super popular on Instagram right now and I've been wanting to recreate it, so I thought I would sit down and film a video on how I did it. Before we jump into the video, I would love if you guys would go hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure your bell notifications are on so you get notified every time I post a video. Now that we got all of that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, so for this video, I actually want to switch it up a little bit. And once I get my real deal mic in the mail, I'm gonna start doing more step-by-step where I'm verbally telling you guys instead of doing a voiceover, because doing voiceovers kind of stresses me out. So as you guys can see, I already got started on my base. I primed my face with the e.l.f. Putty primer and I laid down my eye concealer under my eyes and on my lids. And I used the Tarte Shape Tape, and I also did my brows with the usual. So for this video, I'm going to be jumping into the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette because I think the purples are going to be perfect for this look. The first shade I'm going to be using in my crease is Royal Pain. There it is. So I'm just going to pop that in my crease. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of Your Majesty and I'm just gonna soften it up a little bit and blend it out. Now I'm going in with High King and I'm just creating the butterfly shape. Now I'm using Blood Queen and I'm just using that to create some depth. I'm going in with Dungeon and just doing the same thing but bringing it more towards the inner corner. Okay, I think we can move on to the hardest part, which is going to be the liner. I am already kind of challenged at doing eyeliner, so this should be interesting. I'm glad that I bought a new eyeliner pen. It's this NYX ink liner. Okay, I have to mentally prepare for this. Please work. All I can say is this is some thick liner, and this one I guess I'm gonna have to match it. Okay, I think we have equal parts chaos on both sides, so my video. Look at his face. It's your first cameo. Can you hear him purring? I hope you can. He's a little devil. So in the reference picture that I'm going off of, look at her. She is so beautiful. This is what I'm trying to achieve. So okay, that's what we're working with. This is going a little bit better than I had planned. So I just realized she used a little white, like, I don't know what she used. I can't remember in her little Instagram video. I'll pop that up like right here somewhere. But she used a white. I actually have some really good white liner coming in, like a whole palette, but I don't have it right now. So I'm gonna try to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer that I said I wouldn't use anymore, but so I'm just gonna go in with this Camo Concealer. It's not the best, but you know, if you don't wear contacts, then I would suggest it because it is a really good concealer, but it leaves like this really oily, I guess it might have like some type of oil component in it, but it leaves like this weird oily thing. It's always on my right eye. I'll put a picture of that right here because it gets so bad that I can't even see out of my contact, and I can't clean it off unless I'm using like a Q-tip every 5 minutes. So that's why I don't like it. I think that's all I'm gonna add. I think it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm doing. I'm oohing and awing. Whenever I do my voiceovers, I cut all of that out. So you're getting more of an unedited version of me. I don't know if that's a good thing though. So. By the way, this liner, amazing. It's like a brush instead of a felt tip, and I think I like that. There's a cat hair, of course. Anyway, it's a really good liner. I love it. Okay, that's where we're at with this one. The girl that I'm taking inspiration from, she didn't add the little wing tail tip things where they like go out right here, but I'm gonna add that because that is adorable. This could be my downfall, but I'm willing to take the risk. Now I'm just gonna take some more Tarte Shape Tape and just clean up the little, because there was a little bit of fallout around the wings, so I'm gonna clean that up. Okay, I think I'm done with the wings now. I am so happy at how they turned out. Now I'm just going to take more of Royal Pain and put it on my bottom and just smoke it out so it looks more cohesive. I'm just gonna go in with the wet jewel and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay guys, now that my eyes are done, I'm not gonna bore you guys with doing my face makeup because I've done it so many times before. But if you guys are curious, just like in all my videos, I'm gonna link all of the products that I use down below. Hey guys, I am back with my face all done. I really enjoyed doing this look. It really challenged me, and I'm super glad that it did because I've been getting kind of bored with all the rainbow looks that I do. And I really do enjoy recreating trends and kind of putting my own twist on them. And I hope you guys feel inspired to do this look. And if you do, you can tag me. I don't care. It's not really my trend that I started, but if you did get inspired from me, then I would love to see you guys' recreations. I also really enjoyed being able to talk during this video. You guys go sound off in the comments and let me know if you enjoyed this little talking detail, kind of getting to know me a little bit better instead of doing just voiceovers all the time. If you guys enjoy the voiceovers, go comment that. And the question I would love you guys to go answer down below is, when is your birthday? My birthday is July 23rd, which makes me the first day of Leo season. Not that that really means anything. I don't really know much about the zodiac. But yeah, you guys go sound off down below and let me know when you guys' birthdays are. And before we end this video, make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy it, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I'm going to be coming out with a lot more videos like this very soon. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and are staying happy and healthy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!